Hello everyone, start off by tying a ponytail and then roll the hair in on itself. Do it from bottom to top as such. Now add a rubber band almost at the base level. Roll the hair up into a bun and then fasten it in place using a multiple prong pin. Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back and then tie it using a rubber band. Roll the hair in on itself as such. Divide it into two portions the rest of the hair and then twist it one on top of the other as such. Roll it up and then tie it in place into a bun. Once more, add a decorative clip to it. Start off by tying a ponytail, lift this ponytail upwards and then add a multiple prong clip to it as such. Tie a rubber band almost at the base and then roll it up in order to make another bun at the top. Take the top section of the hair, divide it into three portions and then begin to braid the hair normally. Divide the rest of the hair into two portions, wrap it around the braid and then tie a rubber band. Roll this portion of the hair in on itself. As for the bottom, tie a braid to it. Roll it upwards as such. Fasten it in place using some bobby pins. Add a decorative clip. Start off by tying a ponytail and then roll the ponytail slightly up. Now use a multiple prong pin and then pin it in sideways as such. Comb the rest of the hair, add a rubber band to the base and then roll it up into a bun. Tie a rubber band to the hair, make a ponytail out of it. Now take the hair and roll the hair in on itself as such. Cover up the gaps and then comb the rest of the hair. As for the bottom, make a braid out of it. Loosen it using your fingers, roll the braid up and tie it in place using a decorative clip. Tie a ponytail. Roll the hair in on itself as such. Tie a rubber band at the bottom and then roll it up into a bun. Add a decorative clip that is multiple pronged in nature. Tie a ponytail and then add a decorative clip to the base as such. Add a rubber band to the corner and then roll it up. Hello everyone. Comb the hair into place and then, taking the finger, wrap your hair around your finger and then roll it up into a bun as such. Add a decorative clip to it. Gather the hair together and then using your finger, wrap the hair around the finger. Twist it as such. Add a decorative clip to it. Gather the hair together into a ponytail, add a decorative clip at the base. Tie a rubber band at the bottom and then roll the hair upwards as such. Tie a ponytail, lift the ponytail up and then bend it over, add a rubber band. Add another rubber band to the bottom and roll it up into a bun. Add a clip. Tie a ponytail, fold the ponytail upwards and then tie a rubber band at the base as such while it is bent over. Fold it into a bun shape and then add a decorative clip to it. Tie a ponytail, then at the bottom tie another rubber band, roll the hair up into a bun. You may add a decorative clip once you are done. Start off by tying a ponytail, then roll the hair in on itself as such. Cover up the gaps. Now, divide the ponytail into three parts, twist each of the sections and then add them into the decorative clip accordingly. Take the top part and make it into a bun, add a clip to it accordingly. Tie a ponytail, roll this hair in on itself. Comb in and fill in the gaps. Add a decorative clip once you are done. Thank you for watching.